Dairy production module. As name suggests, take care of production process of items which needs to be sold as finished goods. It manages production of items like FCM, paneer, ghee, SMP, etc. Production process starts from planning, batch order, issue, standardization, stage process, receiving finished goods. In order to do production of any item, we need to define the BOM of that item. Once BOM is defined, we can see items which we have in stock that can be issued to production department. Once item is issued, it is tested by QC to find it if it is suitable for the item to be produced. For most of the time, it is required to standardize the milk in order to make the product. Once standardization is done, it is sent to various stages based on the item required. After undergoing various stages, the product is finally ready and packed for delivery. In order to handle all above functionalities, we have some masters and transactions. Master. Parameter range master for QC. QC is very important part in any production module. For QC, we need to define the parameters which needs to be tested along with its range so that it can be accepted or rejected. This screen is used to create parameters which needs to be tested. Based on QC parameter range defined here, item is either accepted or rejected. Each parameter is defined with its upper and lower range. In master, if we define any range as rejected, then at transaction level, if any parameter comes under that range, then it is considered as rejected. Account set. This screen is used to create account set and map accounts for financial entries. When any item is produced, its financial impact is there in the system. Costing of item is taken from the financial impact. Each account mapped shows costing of item in various heads. Section master. This screen is used to create section. In production, we have various sections of production based on item to be produced. Here, user will just enter code and description. Stage master. This screen is used to create stage for production. Stages are created as per type of item which needs to be produced. Here, user will just enter stage code, description, and its type. Section stage mapping. This screen is used to map stage with section. Once section and stages are created, it is mapped. Each section is mapped and various stages through which an item goes during production. Here, user will select the section at header and map its stages in grid. Sequence of stage will be marked along with the department and user who will be handling that particular stage. QC log sheet master. While doing production of item, the item goes through various stages. At each stage, the semi-finished product is to be tested. User does the testing and fills the log sheet provided at this stage. This screen is used to create quality check log sheet heads. QC log sheet master. These log sheets are created and mapped with various stages along with parameters which needs to be tested at that stage. All masters are created and mapped properly. When item reaches its stages, log sheets appear along with the parameters to be tested and is filled by the user of particular department. Bill of material. This screen is used to create bill of material. Bill of material is created to maintain the items required to make a finished good or semi-finished goods. Here, user selects the main at header part and add other raw material or semi-finished good in grid along with the quantity. In order to get main, we need to have items mapped at grid level. Since it's the milk product, fat and SNF has to be defined.